Hey, my name's Robin, and I get an opportunity right now to share something that I just think is super cool. I've always been into technology, science, nutrition, biohacking, which is the ability to bring all that stuff together. And I get to do that right now with something that is the most technologically advanced straw in the world. So here's the thing. It's like, to give you the understanding of what makes this so cool is I got to give you a little bit of a foundation of a couple things. One is frequencies. Somebody has probably told you that this straw has 11 vibrational frequencies embedded into this. But why does that even matter to you? So think about it like this. Everything in the world is resonating at a frequency. Have you ever had a really hard day? You've gone for a walk, in the forest, or walked along on the beach or whatever, and you feel better? Have you ever noticed when you can walk into a room and something feels off? You see, our body has little antennas all over, and it's picking up on frequencies that are all around us. You know how like sometimes people are happier in the sunshine than they are in the wintertime? It's because there's different frequencies that are happening around the earth at these different times of the years, and our body picks up on these. But what if we could actually harness frequencies, use them to our advantage whenever we wanted? So a great example of that is a magnet. If you take a magnet, before it actually becomes that magnet, it actually is just a bunch of different metals. And depending on the strength of what they want that magnet to do, be a weak magnet, let's say for your fridge, or a really important magnet for an electric motor, let's say, you need to have a very special recipe. So when you get that very special recipe of metals combined together, you stick it into a very special machine. The machine gets tuned to whatever desired frequencies that you want, and it gets embedded in, and now you have a charged piece of metal that becomes a magnet. Pretty cool, right? But here's what's neat about a magnet, is that around a magnet is an energy field. So when you bring something close, and I think it's like grade 3 science, when you bring a paper clip towards a magnet and you actually leave it there for a bit, it will actually charge the paper clip. You can take that paper clip and pick up other paper clips. How crazy is that? So we're going to take that exact same kind of principle, and we're going to embed this into the most technologically advanced straw in the world. So what's in here? This is a very special recipe of metals that was fused together and put into a very special machine. Now, there's only 2 of these machines in the world, and we have the opportunity of being able to utilize these not only to nutritionally charge our product with frequencies, but to also embed it into things like a straw, into things like a bracelet, into all sorts of different specially formulated metals. Now, in here are 11 vibrational frequencies, all about the body and peace of mind. So what's cool is, not only when you use our products that have like a magnet on them, not only is the field around it charging our nutritional products, but it's also embedded in this special recipe so that whatever you drink through this straw actually gets charged with 11 vibrational frequencies, just like our product gets charged with 11 vibrational frequencies. So you know what's funny is that people sleep with this under the pillow to make sure that they're in that magnetic field. All this can be measured, which is so neat. So the next time you want to think about drinking your water or drinking your Rise or drinking whatever it is, you want to think about drinking it through 11 vibrational frequencies to help